For a while now, we've been doing deep work with private equity firms, venture capital groups, and some forward looking organizations. Why? Because the way they evaluate opportunities is changing. And honestly, it's kind of fascinating. Think about this. During due diligence or growth planning, what if you could actually evaluate a company's go to market strategy before writing the check? Or before you signed a huge contract, what if you could zoom out and see what the market really looked like? Because let's be real, everyone has great ideas. But getting those ideas into the market, finding the right buyers, and scaling effectively, that's a whole different animal. Here's how we've been approaching it. We'll take a company and map their ideal customer profile. Then we identify the real world indicators that buyers are actually present. That means you're not just chasing a slide deck or a guess. You're seeing signals from the market itself. And the tools, clay, intent data, modern data sets that surface patterns you could never uncover manually. For example, we can show where the potential customers are who's actively searching for solutions and what signals point to imminent buying behavior. That's powerful if you're investing. That's even more powerful if you're leading go-to-market strategy. And we don't stop at customers. We also look at the hiring market. Because think about it. Ever tried to hire a full stack engineer? If the team you're betting on needs those roles to succeed, you want to know who else is competing for that same talent? What does the talent pool look like? And how quickly can they actually execute on their plan? When you layer hiring data with go to market data, you start to see the real competitive landscape. And here's where it gets crazy. Imagine if every company did this. No more guessing at the market. No more throwing campaigns at the wall hoping something sticks. Instead, you're evaluating your potential customers, your market, and how it's evolving in real time. That's not just strategy, that's clarity. This is what modern due diligence and modern growth planning look like. And the organizations who embrace this, whether they're investors, operators, or builders, they're the ones who will stop guessing and start scaling with precision.